In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your crankshaft vibration damper on your Acura MDX, located in the front right side of the vehicle. Let's get started. All we're going to need is a 17mm socket and a long ratchet. Locate your tensioner. It should look something like this, and this is where we're going to be prying. Get your socket in place. And now we're going to pry it towards the back of the vehicle. Once you have the tension off the tensioner, you pull the belt off. Once the belt is off, you can get your tool out. And now you can go ahead and pull the belt off. Now we're on the front right of the vehicle, and we're going to remove the lug nuts with a 19mm socket and your impact gun. Remove the wheel. On this side of the vehicle, now we're going to remove two of the clips that hold these fender liner together, and for that I'm going to use a fender liner clip removal tool. The clips are located, one on this side and another one right here. Using a set of locking pliers, you can easily just fold this over. And with a set of locking pliers, you can lock it in place. To remove the crank pulley vibration damper, we're going to need a weighted 19mm socket, and this is the difference between a non-weighted one and a weighted one. This is going to make the job go a lot smoother. With our impact gun, let's get it off. Here's a crank bolt, put it to the side. And now you should be able to just pull it straight out. One thing to keep in mind, there's a keeper right here. Make sure it doesn't fall off. And here's the old one. In case of the key falling off, make sure that you line it up the right way. As you can see, there is a flat side. That's gonna go on the top, towards the back of the engine. Now to install the new one, all we need to do is make sure we lined up the key to the keyhole and slide it in. Make sure it's flush. Now we grab our crank pulley bolt and make sure you start it by hand. We recommend using a brand new bolt for the pulley since it's a stretch bolt. For the reinstallation, we're going to use a regular 19mm socket, and we're just going to snug it down. Now let's torque it down. For the reinstallation of the vibration damper, we're going to use this pulley locking tool paired with a small breaker bar. With the breaker bar in place, we want to make sure that when we rotate the engine, this is going to lock onto the control arm. Now using an extension with a 19, we're going to rotate the engine slightly until it locks into place. Once we have that set up, we can now torque it down. We're going to go to 48 foot-pounds and an extra 60 degrees. And now we do the 60 degrees. Remember to remove this tool, and you can fold this back. Now we can install the tire back on. Start your lug nuts by hand. Snug them up. Now we're gonna torque our wheel down to 80 foot-pounds on a star pattern. Now we're gonna reinstall our belt. And for the installation routing, follow the image on the screen. For the installation, we're gonna use a 17mm wrench to depress the tensioner. Slide it on and apply some tension. Remove your tool. And now is the time to visually inspect your belt to make sure it's not caught on any of the pulleys. You should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.